Hi, welcome to the Merch Automator tutorial. In this tutorial we're just going to go over how to get up and running with Merch Automator and the things you need to do to get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is fill out your CSV file. So Merch Automator runs on a CSV file that tells the software what information to use, what products to select, and that kind of thing. So let's have a quick look at the template file. So this is what the file looks like when you open it up. Down here you'll find the product keys. So this is the keys that tell the software which product to select. So standard t-shirts is ST, premium t-shirts is PT, long sleeve LS, so on and so forth down the list here. So you can see in this first column here we've got type, so that's a product type, and this is where you type in your abbreviation. So each one is separated by a comma, so the software will know that you want to upload that product for this certain design. And the rest of the columns here are pretty self-explanatory: brand, title, bullets, description, etc. And then you come to colors. So the colors are separated, grouped by different product types. So in this one we have colors for standard t-shirts and premium t-shirts, and you just put the colors in here. So they've got to be typed in lowercase like this example. So you just copy and paste the colors in that you want, and they've got to be separated by a comma also. Same goes for long sleeve tees, sweatshirts and pullover hoodies. The color codes in this column, v-necks in this column, so you've got the colors for those, raglans in this column here, and zip hoodies in this column here. And next you have the fit types, so men, women or kids, and whatever combination you want, and that has to also be separated by a comma. The next column across here we have the front file. So that's the front file is for the front of the t-shirts, sweatshirts, long sleeves, v-necks, tank tops. Okay, so it's going to upload that file to the front of those products. Next we have a back file, so that's going to upload to the back of whatever product you have selected over here. Obviously you can't upload to the back of pop sockets or phone cases or anything like that, so you want to be wary of that. Next column across we have hoodies and zip hoodie files. So this is obviously for zips, hoodies and normal hoodies. So there's a file in this column, and you've got hoodies and zip hoodies selected over here. The software is going to upload the image from this column. Next along we have pop sockets. So the software will use this column to upload the image to pop sockets, and lastly we have phone cases. So the same thing will happen there. So if you were to use this template, you delete that out and you put your designs on each line here as it goes down, filling out with your appropriate product type and colors. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to open up the Merch Automator software. You look at the box over here on the left called Merch by Amazon Login, so you're going to need to log into your account. Your password won't be stored, it will be deleted when the software is closed. So once you use this to log into your account, you'll see that there should be a browser window open so you can see it working. You also have a settings button over here, a little gear icon, so you're going to have different settings. You can show and hide the browser, you can submit the bullets as descriptions, you can submit in draft mode or manual mode. Also there's a resize option, so you can resize the images as you go along. So you can just have a front file in for your t-shirts and have hoodie resize on, and it'll resize the image for hoodies and zip hoodies. So same with pop sockets and phone cases. And there's a Google Translate option here for different countries. So if this is turned on, it will translate for the various countries that you're uploading to. Okay, once you're ready to go, you need to choose a CSV file. This little file chooser box here, just click this orange button, and then you can choose the file that you want. Okay, once you've got that, you click Upload CSV file. It'll do a few checks, and then you should be good to go there. It should say how many rows are in your CSV file over here. Next, you want to choose your marketplace, so choose whatever combination of marketplace you want to upload to. Next, this example will do USA. And next is set marketplace prices. So this is all your prices for all the different marketplaces that you're uploading to. Just want to make sure we've got the prices right. So if you want to change the price, you just click on the price, type it in, and it's just as simple as that. So once all these are set for all the different marketplaces, you click save, and then the prices the software is going to use. You can just change it on the fly also, just by opening this box and putting in a new price. And once you're ready to go, just type into this box how many runs you want the software to do. So in this example, only one, because we've got one column. Click start. It'll ask you to confirm. Click yes, and we'll be off and going here. So we'll just watch while the software uploads one design. So it's uploading the front file right now, and then it should resize and upload the image for the hoodie and zip hoodie, which it's doing now. Then same for pop sockets, and it should resize for phone cases too, which it has done now. Okay, so they're all resized. Now we'll open this box and choose the products in whatever marketplace. So it happens quite quickly. Alright, shows all the products I wanted for the USA. Then we'll go and select all the color variations. Okay, all your sizes. Type in the price. I'll just move through each product. That's it. Once it's done that, it'll go down and type out all your titles and bullets and submit the product, and that's it. You're off. The software will just keep looping through each row in your CSV file until it's finished. So you can see here it's 11 listings published, all published there. So once that's done, the software will tell you the submission is completed. If there's an error, the software will stop and let you know. So if you have any problems, you can check the browser to see where the error might be, and most of the time there's an error with your CSV file or an image, or just a general Merch error. So that's pretty much how Merch Automated works. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via the Facebook page or our support page. Thanks for watching.